Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel 1 2 Step. Today in this video, let's learn about how to sync Google Calendar to Outlook. So let's get started. At first, let's get into Google Calendar. And in my calendar, we can see there's various options. Simply tap on this three dots icon over here. And let's click on settings and sharing. And if you scroll down, we can see this secret address in icon format. Simply copy this. Now we need to go to our Outlook and click on this calendar icon over here. Now let's click on add calendar, and over here has an option called subscribe from web. So let's tap on this. Simply paste the URL you have copied. Now give your calendar name, and you can choose other options as per your need. And once you have done, simply click on import. So it's done. So that is all we can do to sync Google Calendar to Outlook. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.